definitely gone.
But
You cannot do it like that. You cannot embarrass this young man like that. You cannot do
in
it.
front of you.
Alright guys, so before we get into this video, I want you to go over to Danny Mix and Kimmy on YouTube, subscribe to their channel, show them some love, and tell them say Andrew send you new couple on the block, them post challenges and all of them good stuff, the stuff we know couples do. So just check them out, and I'll put their link in my description, and I'll also pin it in my comment section. So just click it, go over there, show them some love, and tell them say Andrew send you. Let's get into this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another prank. I know one don't see me, but my dear Clarendon one, and my service never did a pick up good for my phone. So every minute it did I say no service, never have no Wi-Fi before. Well, me do have my mommy now when I have Wi-Fi, but before me never have no Wi-Fi, and then the phone did always I say no service. You know, data don't make no sense with no service. So that's how I never did I see me. But you know, I have my videos them for edit and put up. But me do have my grandmother, and I just feel like more I'm prank her because I never prank my grandmother yet. Like never. Well, me try and it never work out. So I want to do a lyric prank on her, but I gonna make it spicy. Oh no, that macadam man they will say, my man go out as him like, come in as him like. So I want to try it. Guys, ignore my face. Me see it. Me just wake. Me look. Ignore it. Earfret not at all. Just ignore it. Just ignore how me look. You know me look pretty when I'm ready. But yeah, me gonna just try it because I want for ready. Rain did a fall. My outside say kind of muddy, so I want to hurry up, go back in. You know. But yeah, me gonna just start it off. Mama teach me to set up the camera. I do want one song. I do want lyric song for mama. And I song and say, Mama, you go take it like, I'm in a like, Chad, you know that song there? So I do it like I just and do it to me. So I just say, Mama. I say, Mama. And man say, Blacker. I just say, Mama, go out as him like, come in as him like, chat per phone, can't go on it. That's what Mama gotta do. Mama.
Where you want to lift me for? Tell me.
My man go out as him like, come in as him like.
So now where me go?
Chat on phone with girl all night. That ain't do.
I have no time to go.
In a my sight. In a my sight.
You see if I didn't come up here phone in the man.
Then I'm working I do.
That I excuse.
You hear the people that tell me you like Mama, Mama.
I don't say excuse me.
Mama, me work, yeah, Mama.
In a my sight. Him know that not right. And when me attack, and me want fight.
I lie.
I true.
I lie. You say I lie.
But Mama, show me that I'm bright.
Show you not bright, what? I lie. Mama, you believe him? I lie, she I tell you. That's trouble she I try to give me, Mama.
You don't believe?
No, exactly.
Mama, show me now fight. A girl I get bright.
But me no busy about no girl who want to get bright. Me don't know who you talk.
Walk past me with a word I get hype.
Yes.
Mama, when they put on social media and everybody can see man trouble. Man, no my fault that.
But me I go burn him. Take my from him. Anytime when I walk in the house and left him. Anytime I buy my car, me go take my house and my car and run him.
Talk to her, yeah, man, because I look like a red lick up.
Let me know the thing could not live like peas in a pod.
We live good, Mama. I don't know what kind of trouble my check.
But the thing so I didn't look lovey-dovey.
Mama,
Yeah, but she doesn't put out everything to make you
Mama,
get bright.
Mama, you don't understand what me I say now. My man go as him like, come in as him like.
Where you go?
Where me go? Good question. Where me go?
I don't know.
Until life
Chat
can come down here
phone.
sometime. Yes.
Yeah, chat on phone with girl all night.
When? I lie.
On my side, you know that not right.
And last night,
Mm.
you never see him.
Mama, you gonna believe Miss Desi about me? And you know, Mama, you hear me on the phone in there?
Mama, and when me attack, and me want fight.
Somebody never touch you. I lie.
Show me now bright.
I lie.
Girl, I get hype. Walk past me with a word, I get hype.
Me no busy about when a girl want to see and say that for them business that no, me don't know about a girl, you know. Cause me can't have a girl can't fall upon you and jealous over what you have, you know.
Hey, Mama, you not understand, you know. Hey. Mama, you not understand, you know.
Stop stress out, Mama, yeah, man.
Sometimes I just want to fight him, you know. Mama, you not understand, Mama.
Poor me not pay you no mind.
Mommy, you not understand when I go through, you know.
Mama, I be fighting good. You be fighting.
Mama cry peace,
Mama,
no.
What do you mean you have to fight?
Mama, the best thing I do, I pray for you, you know.
Then Mama, if you like get born, you don't know.
No,
When
but
you're younger days, I get born. You know.
You know what is the solution? You meet in peace, you part in peace, you don't have to fight.
Exactly. What you want? What you fighting for?
You meet in peace, you part in peace, you don't have to fight.
Mama, what me to do?
You know what is the solution? If two cannot agree, don't work, and you meet in peace, you part in peace,
Exactly.
amen, seal and sign.
Exactly.
But Mama,
But me not want to go like
you have
that.
to give something for
When if you don't want it to go like that, you have this life is made up with choices and decisions. You decide if you want to put up with whatever you don't like, and you stay with it. And you decide if you don't want to put up with it, and you leave it. It's just easy as that.
Put up with it.
No, but she a plan for fight me. You look at me, I have to go walk my own road then. Cause she a plan for fight me.
Put up with it.
Yes, me go out as me like, I come in as me. Oi. Me go out as me like, I come in as me like, what me go out, go do?
Mama, the proof is in the pudding. Me tell you where.
Which pudding? Which pudding? Tell me now. You done there? Me now, me coulda jam you out.
Just a chat on phone with girl all night.
What they talk
When?
about?
And guess what?
In a me side.
And guess what, no, Mama? When they chat on the phone with the girl one night, you know, my people don't have attention. So that I prove that you might get the attention somewhere else.
Boy, me can't believe. If Mama believe you no master, me nah know who left in our world.
Go deserve
Mama,
to sit
you
down
believe
on
me?
him.
Mama,
Mama, look on him. Your piece and look on him. You know, so watch it. You know what?
Mama.
Me nah do, me nah do nothing.
Mama. Mama.
Right now, if you see me on my phone, I'm probably glad he's that glad.
Mama, what me to do?
Stay with him. Don't Mama.
One question. The
Yeah.
work that you do it on the phone, okay?
Yeah.
Yes or no? No say yes or no.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, because you are jealous
Hi.
and think in yourself that it's something else.
Somebody in here talk truth.
Mommy, come here.
You're not going to peace.
Somebody in here talk truth. You see? She too jealous, Mama. That's the problem.
Yeah, you're jealous and you're just going
I
to
have an announcement to make. Me I done it with him.
You break up with me?
Yeah?
See, I make jealousy make your relationship mash up. God. So me there, so I walk towards, I just dash you, I go dash you away, so.
Yes, sir. Like how I said, let's stay down here with me.
No, but you look like that, me have to go do me.
Stay down here with me.
No, but you know me not stay down here because mommy say proof is in the pudding. Mama, you have no way me can't go stay.
Where put it there?
No, but mommy, you take Google sign and I say proof in the pudding. So mama, you have any way me can't go stay because I feel, right now I feel.
Yes, I was live. Do you see I put in?
No, but feel disrespected because mama she has say me chat on phone again and no, me can't remember when me last me talk on my phone. Me have my phone I use but me can't tell when last me take up my phone and make a call. Last two person me talk to mommy and my next mommy.
Text, you don't have to talk.
Me not even text people again. Me not, you see, mommy I take fear aside. Me not even text people again. Mama, me I tell you the truth. Me not text thanks Amelie. Thanks. Me not text people again.
When it done,
Yeah, hear this.
it done. Come out of my mother and my grandmother house.
Say you heard me out.
Come out of my mother and my grandmother
Hello.
house.
I want him to tell you how when it done, Jesus still welcome here.
Wow.
So me no know.
So if you want done it, but Jesus always a good day here.
So look here, I know she not serious when she attack.
No, me can't believe. Me not feel so.
She not
She not serious. She not serious. Cause me can't believe this girl that try to run me out and me never run her out.
Leave the man leg on.
But she,
You
but
cannot do it like that. You cannot embarrass this young man like that. You cannot do
in
it.
front of your mother, your grandmother, you walk out and do them sitting there.
You cannot embarrass the young man like that.
Exactly.
Yes, man.
Mama, my rabbit turn pa you, you know.
My girl, come back in our house.
You
Pookie,
cannot
call
do
your
that.
sister.
Hello, my rabbit turn pa you.
Pookie, call your sister, Pookie.
You cannot embarrass
Come
young
back in
man
the
like
house.
that.
You go walk out, bow, bag and go lift me, my girl.
What me do, mama? What me do?
But what me do? Why proof for me
You
do?
cannot embarrass a young man like that. If two of you come in here,
And then you are go
I
left
go
me.
take up and let him in here now. Me are going to split the justice, you know. I can't be hypocrite. You do not behave good. If you're going to leave Jason, say Jason, so and so and so and so.
That should have talked back a closed door. They look like I go talk in front of the whole family.
Talk it here now. Say, all right, Jason, so and so and so and so and so. I am not satisfied. I am stressed. I am not comfortable. So you know
But
what?
Mama,
We are
ask her
going
what
to
do
end
her.
this relationship.
Ask her what do her. She's
We
stressed.
will be still friends socially, but intimately we will end the relationship. You can't take out the young.
But Mama, ask her what do her. What stress me stress her.
You can't take out the son like that and chime up so.
And I keep me out. And I keep me out of her house.
You cannot do that.
Chop, Jason.
Gugu, you can't do that. That's not the right way to do
Who
it.
were you chop,
You
Jason?
can never do the young lady, the
You
woman
man.
son like
You
that.
make mama that talk foolish. Google, you can't you see
You
me that
cannot
mama
do
go
like
cry.
that.
Leave her say nothing to you still.
Mama, you can't be
You
man.
cannot do that.
Me go me yard.
Which yard you go? Which yard you go?
Bye.
Which yard you go? A full yard you go, you know? You know that?
You cannot do it like that.
Mama run me out.
I'm to her. Pookie, I'm to your sister.
If you are not happy and satisfied with
Well, I
the
want
way
to
it
rain
is,
come down and wet you up.
you do it in a good way. You do it in a nice, loving way, and you part in a nice, loving way. That's when you see him on the street, him can say, good morning. And you can say, Jason, good morning.
Talk to her, yeah, Mama. Check her if she have fever. They can look like she's sick.
I joke she make I don't even know go so. Trouble not trouble Jason. I said time nagging I want to take it.
We find out say when things are going too good, she start up problem, you know, and that. Come, Mama, ask her what me do. Cause she talk about with girl, ask her what me do. You know, sister, Pookie go feel some alcohol, no? Rub them. And sick.
You know that not right. And when me at home, and me a walk,
Let me check your blood pressure. Cause it look like you have a
chew me now, bright. A girl a get hype, walk past me with a word I get hype.
Excuse me.
there.
She owe me the pan phone and
She want to slap.
Then me know say Gugu could see you.
Me look, I'm a baby that, you know? I'm a baby that.
Then me know hear you calling say you.
And I mean,
And him just stuck on the sandbar. What over?
oh, come in, that's the like chat.
Mama, blacker. Alright, guys, so
Then me
The
know
prank.
say Gugu can't see you.
the prank, it can go on. It can- Mama, that was a good one. It's split justice. So guys, what happened is if I see two different footage, my video did dark, so Jason realized, because Jason didn't know about the prank, my mommy didn't know about the prank. So Jason realized that my camera did get dark because it did a out of focus, inner focus. That makes sense. But yeah, so Jason did start record for me, so you're gonna hear Jason behind the camera because him did a holding phone and a record. So yeah, and I did tell my mommy about the prank. So my mommy did kind of, you know, I push it so could I really get one reaction out of mama. Yeah, that's why I did one mommy did their hype it up. So my mother did their hype it up. So this is the end of my video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 50K. Bye guys.